So, Mr. Rajat, you have very fluctuating marks. 82, then 91, then 58. Why such fluctuating performance?
Sir, actually, in 10th I was not a very good student. I would like to tell you that I did not take up studies so well till that time. Then in 12th I worked hard to get 90%. Actually in 2009 I lost my father, so I had to take up the financial problems of the house. So I could not give time to study that much, so that marks are less in the recent years. But I have chalked out the problems which they are in place now, so I think I can perform again to that level.
Okay. So, you are doing CA.
Yes.
So, tell me, what does a CA do?
So that CA is a multifaceted profession, but mainly as on date, two fields are more, you can say, more explored. First is taxation and audit, where you check the account of a company and see that they are paying to the governments in a proper way. And secondly, there is management and financial research, where the company appoints you for the functioning of their own company or the market research and their performance.
Okay. So, once you already CA, why do you wish to go for management?
So first of all, my marks are very less, so it does not give me a pull that I have done something very good in academics in my life. So
You are doing CA and you are clearing CA. I think your academics are decent enough.
no, sir. To my satisfaction, they are not that decent. And secondly, that would be funny, but I have missed the college life, so I want to go to a college once in my life. That is the reason.
Okay. But don't think that you will be too old. You are already 23. And by the time you will finish, you will be 26. So, it's time to get married and other things because you are taking circuitous road. So, you already passed your prime by the time you pass out of MBA?
No, sir. I don't think there would be much time, sir.
Okay. You share your birthday with whom?
Sir, I share my birthday with Jack Welch and Indira Gandhi, Susmita Sen. These
So,
three
okay. So, tell me something about Indira Gandhi which you really like.
So her leadership and a specific color of dictatorship in her. And in a country like India, where the people are so unpredictable and movable, there has to be some quality of dictatorship. Because the public is,
Don't think the dictatorship is too strong a word in democracy.
no sir, means it is actually a slight effect of dictatorship was in her. Like in the Golden Temple riot, she went in and she shooted. Any other very democratically strong person would not do this. That you go inside a temple and start shooting. That's all.
But there was Punjab problem had reached such an immense proportion. She was a dictator, she would have been able to finish the problem 3 years back. Why waited for so long?
Because he had a slight, any other
You think those kind of guns being available, people wielding guns all the time, when you have IB, Intelligence Bureau, don't think that they must have reported to her that such problems are going on in Akal Takht?
No. So, but that is, you can, any person like, if you say Mulayam Singh, he will never go for it. This is a very politically bad decision for a person. Today also, 90% of Indians think that Indira Gandhi was not a good person. Just because of that thing. That she shooted guns in a temple. But that is good, I say. Because in a country like India, like today we had a rape case. Every news channel was showing that and every person was talking about that. And yesterday Narendra Modi won, everybody has forgot that. So in a country like India, social issues, the
How
public...
can you say Yuvraj is still dedicated his man of the match? It was after Narendra Modi's victory.
Not Yuvraj is dedicated, the public has forgot it. No? Now Narendra, after 1 week I asked, Archie case is still not decided. Is anybody concerned? No one is concerned.
When you have 120 crore people and if you start getting concerned by one people, how can you be strict administrator? As you said, you cannot even afford to sack a person.
So I could not get your question.
When one person in 120 crore people is nothing. If we are getting emotionally imbalanced because of one person, don't think so that is country's weakness.
So that is not one person, sir. If at that time there would have been a ruler like Indira Gandhi, who would have taken strong decisions. That day only the crime rate.
If there is a strong decision, Punjab problem would have never occurred.
Yes, sir.
Then
People
that
learn
means
from
she
them.
did not take strong decisions. That is why it reached that level.
She took the
Later.
late. She took it late. But at that time also, like in the Arochi case, it could be taken earlier.
I think, Mr. Rajat, you like controversies.
Yes.
You like controversies. Okay. Who's your ideal?
Sir, Prasoon Joshi.
Prasoon Joshi. What is his educational background?
So he's from IIM.
He is not from IIM. No problem.
I
He is your ideal. So, which company is he working for?
McKinsey.
Huh?
McKinsey.
Can you tell me the full name?
Of McKinsey? No.
He is your ideal. You don't know much about him.
I'm not researched.
Okay. No problems. Recently, the Banking Act has been changed.
Yes.
Can you tell me the salient feature of Banking Act?
So the recent changes. So first of all, the banks had applied for the change in that they could trade in commodity. It has not been allowed. So it will be forecasted that the gold and silver trade will be much higher from the banks now. That's why the banks. And secondly,
But the silver prices fell after that.
silver prices fell not due to the Banking Act. Silver prices fell, I do not know.
Your name is Rajat. You should be knowing silver through and through.
No, sir, that's not right. So silver prices do not fall due to India. India is not such a big economy that it can.
Why? India's top 10 economy in the world is in fact 6th. So,
But India cannot save the silver price.
okay. Tell me 2 words to describe you.
2 words. Positive and
You like controversy. How can you be positive?
so because if I am on a motion that I am positive with that motion, you will try to
No,
say
your
that
body language is also not displaying. Your eyes are showing anger and emotion.
not positive in that sense.
Ah.
Positive in the sense that you would try to say me that no, Indira Gandhi was not a dictator, but
That is not positivity.
Firm.
That is firmness.
Firmness and commercial instinct.
Commercial instinct. You do not know why silver prices fell. How can you tell me your commercial instincts are nice?
So there are
Give me an example of what do you mean by commercial instinct?
So commercial instinct is like everything you can change into numbers. That is
digital thinking.
no sir.
Commercial is to make money.
Yes sir. Like for example, I will give you a very nice example. In Kannauj, we have this potato farming, and every year at least tons of potato is thrown. So if I get an opportunity in your college and you could make me a meeting with Indra Nooyi, we can set up a factory of Frito-Lay there, and we could get the potatoes for free from there, and it could be such a less cost for us.
You
to produce
now think of
potatoes.
the logistics and the simple, the principle. Frito-Lays, what kind of potatoes they will be needed?
Big. Big.
Big.
Big and-
Only big will be the criteria.
Big and nice things. Sweet and all those-
Think more.
So sweet and
It has to be modified potato crop with particular carbohydrate content, particular water content, particular size content, and different nutrients.
yes.
I don't think so. The potatoes which are being wasted, they can be utilized. It's a far-fetched imagination.
No sir, they can.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rajat. It's a big.